Greetings, I'm Bobby W6IWN, and today I'm here with
Dave KK7RHF.
We're in Truckee, California. We're going to go do a SOTA or a SNOTA. We're going to, what is it? W6 NS-181. I think it's, what is it, 7,000 something feet up there?
Sounds about right.
I'll put the right number up here when we get up there. All right, Ricky's all fired up and ready to go, so let's head on up. Are you having fun, Ricky? Are you having fun? Little snow dog? All right, we're a little more than halfway up. How you feeling, Dave?
Feeling good?
It's not a bad hike at all, huh?
Not at all.
I like this one. I highly recommend it for anyone that wants to do a mellower hike in the winter here. We're headed up there. See a little dirt on the top. The wind blows really hard on the top of some of these summits, and the snow doesn't stick as well. But yeah, no wind today. A beautiful bluebird day. Ricky's really loving it. He doesn't like his snow boots so much though, but he might have to put them on before the end of the day here. Are you having fun, Ricky? Yeah. All right, we made it to the top. Beautiful bluebird day. It's actually pretty darn warm. I'm kind of regretting wearing the thermal, but there's always those days you don't wear it where you wish you would have had it. So I'm all set up. I got the in-fed half wave, the W7DLZ goat antenna going on, and an inverted L. And then we got Dave down there, KK7 Romeo Hotel Foxtrot. He's all set up. Looking forward to activating. Ricky has just been having a blast. He doesn't like his little boots. I think his feet are getting cold, but he's got his little bed to thaw out. We got his boots in the pack for a backup. He might have to wear them on the down if his feet get too cold. But yeah, just a beautiful day. All right, better get activating. This is Whiskey 6 India Whiskey November, calling CQ and listening. Sierra Mike 3 November, Radio Yankee QSL. All right, yeah, you jumped up to about a 5.5 that time. 5.5, I'm running 20 watts on the top of a summit here. Great to work you.
Roger, very fine with 20 watts. You 5x3 in Sweden. Sierra Mike 3 November, Radio Yankee, over.
November Golf is 0 Charlie.
Sierra 57 Sierra.
Okay, there's two stations. First with the DX, the Sierra station.
Sierra 5-7 Sierra. Sierra 5-7 Sierra.
Sierra 5-7 Sierra, Slovenia. I have you 5-5-55 Northern California QSL.
Yeah, interesting. I'm running 200 watts and you got the same report. 5x5, 55. My name is Alexander, okay?
Whiskey Bravo November.
Foxtrot 4, Whiskey Bravo November. Christian, go ahead.
Yeah, Roger. Good afternoon. Foxtrot 4, Whiskey Bravo November, 57. 57, Roger.
Right back at you. You were booming in today, Christian. 5-7.
Oh, very good. Thanks for 57. Thanks for the contact. Nice day. Good weekend.
Foxtrot 5, Papa Yankee, India. Foxtrot 5, Papa Yankee, India.
Foxtrot 5, Papa Yankee, India. I have you 5-5 today, Larry.
You in town. Good morning, dear. Light 55, 5-5, Makway, Bobby, yourself.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. through the highway.
All right, we activated. We did it. The bands weren't too hot, but we still had fun. We got some DX. I got France twice in Switzerland or Slovenia or something. I got to check the logs, but that was cool. How'd you do? It's kind of
Yeah,
slow.
about this. I think we probably got the same person in France there, but
yeah, no, it was great to get out. This summit gets pretty busy, so we get a lot of visitors wanting to know what we're doing, but we managed, so we're going to head back down the hill.
yeah, people thought we were fishing up on the hill.
Yeah, I had somebody ask me if I was fishing, but we did meet another ham up here. I forget his call, but it was nice meeting you. And any new subscribers I got up here, thank you guys. The nice couple I met from France or wherever. Hope you guys enjoy your time here in Lake Tahoe area. All right, thanks for watching. 7-3.